Yo, here we go. Today, we're making pulled pork. I'm going to show you guys how to get it done from beginning to end. Stay locked in to the whole video. Let's go. First up, get your pork butt. This has been salted and dry brined overnight, lightly salted. I'm going to cross hatch it. And this part here is optional. You don't have to do it, but I like doing it to get some of those seasonings down into the meat. Today's seasoning, over the top, we're going to do Fire and Smoke Society. A little sugar and smoke, pretty good rub. I'm going to get this thing seasoned up, seasoned on all sides, top, back, and the bottom. But one thing, do not forget the sides, people. Do not forget the sides. All right, once you get that thing all seasoned up, should look something like this. Let's go out and we're gonna smoke on the Kamado today. Get that fired up using royal oak, lump charcoal. And get it kind of settled in here, lined up how I like it. I'm gonna put some royal oak tumbleweeds in there. And also I'm using hickory wood chunks. That's my smoke flavor today. Once we get that lit up, I'm gonna let that run for a little bit. Let the coals burn down just a little bit and wait for it to get up to temp. Target temp today, we're gonna shoot anywhere between really 275 and 300. Cooking a little bit warmer to really get this thing done and get as much smoke as possible. Here we go, got the smoke rolling. Get those temps kind of dialed in a little bit. Once we get the smoker dialed in, right now it's sitting around 285. I'm gonna put this pork butt on and let it roll for about 4 or 5 hours before we check it and come back and spritz it. Stay tuned. Right here, like we're sitting about 285, we come back and spritz it a little bit. It's looking real good, a lot of good color on it. And let it roll. Here coming back out, after about the 8-hour mark, you hit about 165, 170. Decide to come out and get it all wrapped up. Gonna throw it in a pan. As far as my wrap, I'm using apple juice. And they're gonna hit it with a little bit more sugar and smoke from Fire and Smoke Society. Get it wrapped up and back out on that smoker until we reached about 203 internal, and then we'll let it rest. So now we're back on that smoker, like I said, putting the probe in. We'll let it roll till it gets to about 203. Pull it off and let it rest, and then we'll show you guys the final results. Finally hit 203 after about 10 hours. And here are the results. Let me know what you guys think. Nice color. Let's see. Very juicy. Pulls clean off the bone. Look at that. Good smoke color here all throughout it. This was delicious. I made me a pulled pork sandwich, and you guys should try this out. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.